How do I set up split screen mode in Fortnite?
Hey there gamers, today we're going to take a deep dive into Fortnite, specifically focusing on how to set up split screen mode. This mode is a fantastic way to share your gaming experience with a friend right in your living room. So, let's not waste any more time and jump right into it.
What is split screen mode?
Split screen mode allows two players to play on the same console, with the screen divided into two halves. It's a fun way to bring cooperative play into Fortnite, allowing you to play duo or squad games with a friend in the same room. Remember, you'll need two controllers for this.
Does your console support split screen?
Before we get started, it's important to note that split screen is available on PlayStation and Xbox consoles only. As of my last update in September 2021, it's not available on PC, Nintendo Switch, or mobile devices. So, make sure you're on the right console before proceeding.
How to enable split screen?
1. Start Fortnite on your console. The first step is pretty straightforward. Power up your console and start Fortnite. 2. Go to the main menu. From the Fortnite lobby, navigate to the main menu. 3. Log in the second player. Now it's time to get the second player involved. Turn on the second controller and log in with their Epic Games account. It's essential that the second player is logged into an Epic Games account. Guest accounts won't be able to play Fortnite due to its online nature. 4. Join the lobby. The second player should now appear in your lobby. You're nearly ready to start playing together. 5. Enable split screen. To initiate split screen, you'll need to press and hold the X button on PlayStation or the A button on Xbox on the second controller. After these steps, your screen should split into two, and both of you will be able to navigate independently in the Fortnite lobby.
Starting a split screen game.
Now that you're all set up, choose your preferred game mode, either duos or squads, and ready up. Once the game starts, the screen will be split into two, with each player having their own view of the Fortnite world. Enjoy your cooperative gameplay experience. And that's it, folks. You're now ready to tackle Fortnite's Battle Royale mode with a friend in split screen mode. It's a great way to share the thrill and excitement of Fortnite right from your living room. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. Happy gaming!